Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have our new video on design YouTube. In our design YouTube system, in this series we ask the question of design YouTube. It's a system design series that we just try to design together a good system in YouTube that will make us be successful in our system design interview. So today we will talk about the uploading the flow for the metadata. In the previous video we talked about um, the uploading flow of the videos, and as you can see, this was a process of the uploading the videos, and while the file is being uploaded to the original storage, to this original storage, the client in parallel send requests to update videos, the video metadata I'm going to show you. And basically what I mean about saying metadata, it's the file name, the size, the format of the file, etc. So it's just all the metadata information that we need. So let's just try to talk about that. So first, what was the text size? I copy this one and uploading the metadata flow. Okay, and right now what will happen in this one, that we'll have a user. I want to copy the user also. We have this user. Just make it quite taller. Yeah, and this user is while uploading the metadata, he will send the request to the API servers, and the API servers first will go through a load balancer. No, I don't want to. No. I don't want to like that. How to? Yeah. So it goes to a load balancer. So the load balancer will distribute the requests. Balancer. No. Yeah. And the load balancer will send the request directly to the API servers, and these API servers will store the information in the DB, in the metadata DB, and also in the cache as well. And I will talk about why we're using everything in a bit. Just give me a minute. In the metadata cache. So that was the flow. It's a pretty straightforward flow, but I guess in the interviewer, because it's a pretty straightforward interview flow for this one, we'll try to ask you some question about every single component. Okay, let me just. Okay. So first, let's start first about why we need a load balancer, or what is a load balancer. I have answered this question multiple times, but it's so important to ask this question in every video, because in any interview you find the interviewer will ask about what is a load balancer, why we need it. So the load balancer is a crucial component in modern computer network and web browser, web hosting, sorry. And it is a device, or you can call it also a software application, that distributes network or application traffic across multiple servers or resources, to ensure that no single server or resource is overwhelmed. So thereby improving the performance, reliability, and availability. So we when you have servers, we have API servers. So basically, it doesn't like this Joe make it easy, but to understand how the load balancer work, just assume that you have multiple API servers, and the load balancer try to make sure it it makes sure that ensure that like no single server just takes all the resources or all the requests by itself, and it's basically distribute the requests. So you find it just send it to this and this and this and this, so the traffic is handled by 4 servers, not just one. Okay, but when I say API servers, that just mean more than one server. And we have here the metadata. The metadata we use it to have the DB. However, I guess your interviewer will ask you about the cache. So what is a cache and why actually use a cache here? So it's really like why you need to use a cache here. And the real question is, what is a cache? This what he's trying to asking you, like why you need a cache here. So the cache is a technique is used in computing and storage for the frequently or to store frequently accessed or computed data in temporary storage data. So for example, the metadata is in memory storage, and it's a pretty fast one, and we use it for for saving in it the frequency access data. So this will improve our performance and redundancy and latency, because right now instead of just taking the all the information from the metadata directly, which is just a DB, no, we can take it from the in-memory, because the memory is way more faster. They take the frequently accessed data from the memory, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, it was a quick video. I guess the previous 2 videos was pretty long. This one was a pretty small one, and yeah, I hope I like to make the videos pretty small, because actually when I make videos pretty small, I guess all of you watching it, if the video is long, it's done, no one watches it. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope it's quite good. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video, and see you in future problems.